All right, so we're gonna be riding around, having a ton of fun, going 100 kilometers an hour. Okay. Lining is a little weird, Slow down, you're catching up, All right, good. Oh, low side, good. Oh, watch out for cars coming. Ooh, lucky you didn't hit that rail.
Lan şansın amına koyayım ya.
All right, so we're riding. We're having a ton of fun out in the mountains with our friend. Probably talking on a Cardo Pack Talk Bold. You know, chit-chatting, making sure we're talking to each other, being safe. Click the link in the description for a discount. Anyways, moving forward. And right here, it's a blind turn. So remember that, guys. Situation awareness, fundamental skills, acquire and utilize personal protective equipment, and rescue another rider, teach and mentor. Oh, sorry, I blacked out for a second. We have this blind turn. Okay, we're going 85 kilometers per hour. Blind turn. Probably can handle it. We don't know what's around the corner, though. So slow it down just a little bit. Looks like he's getting ready. Maybe he's doing some trail braking. Maybe he's doing whatever he needs to do. This person's getting ready for that turn. Okay, cool. Silovant, welcome. Thank you for the $5 donation. Appreciate it. The turn keeps going. Did you know that? Probably not. So right here, we're going to keep going. This is a very hard lean for a very easy turn. So if you go fast on an easy turn, you're going to have a good chance of having to use advanced skills to navigate that. So really good body positioning. He's almost knee dragging. Very good body positioning, very good trail braking, very good handlebar inputs, very good throttle and clutch and brake, whatever it is you need to do, inputs to make it happen for an easy turn. Okay, so like to me, it's not worth it. Why go through massive amounts of schooling, huge amounts of schooling just to ride a motorcycle on easy roads? Just take it easy on the easy roads. Okay. So there's the low side. This is probably not broken. This is probably for, looks like there's an opening there. Looks like maybe for service. Anyways, low side. So you're going to lose traction on that rear tire because you either put too much inputs into that rear tire with the acceleration, maybe rear brake, or it just had too much lean angle and lost traction. There's a bunch of different reasons why you would low side in this situation. Typically on a turn, it's because you leaned too far, gave it too much acceleration, maybe too much brake. So same thing, traction loss. So this is going to be a low side. And this is what's very scary when it comes to going crazy out on the roads outside of a track, is that you do have oncoming traffic. This is an oncoming traffic lane. On a track, you don't have that. Okay, that's a factor reduced from being on a track. Also, you have this guardrail. And that might seem safe, right? Well, not for motorcyclists. On a track, you don't have that. You have a huge runoff, so you can keep sliding. It sucks to slide, but hey, if you crash, you crash. But now you can slide and slide and slide and slide and slide and slide and slide and slide, versus impacting the guardrail and possibly getting split in half, which happens all the time. When I say split in half, I literally mean it. Split in half. Don't look it up. Google it. Just kidding. Don't do that. So we're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep going. Now this is where I kind of want to talk to you guys in terms of what this rider should do. Not that rider. That rider up there already crashed. Boom. His emergency, not mine. As sad as it sounds. If I get hit, I can't take care of him. Okay? That's the reality. So in this situation, right here, keep going. Go around this corner so you can see. Park your bike in a safe spot. Get to him with your trauma kit. If you need to use it, you need to use it. If you don't need to use it, don't worry about it. But get yourself in a safe spot. Who knows, if there was a car coming and now we're over here, boom, we all get hit. That is what I want you guys to do. I want you to think of this now like a firefighter EMT. I want you to take your mind off of, hey, I'm thinking as a friend. Now I'm thinking as somebody that's going to rescue you. In order for me to rescue you, scene safety. Okay, I gotta keep myself safe first. So keep going. Maybe slow it down. You're already going slow, pretty much. Keep going. Look, and then maybe turn around and park on the shoulder. And that's what I keep saying. is you need to keep yourself safe. It's their emergency. Okay. And how can you talk to them? How can you do these things, you know, while you're doing all that, instead of pulling over and stopping and getting to them immediately, having your pack talk, okay, having your Cardo system, FreeCom, whatever it is you want, link in the description. You can keep talking to him while you're doing all this and be like, hey, buddy, you okay? You okay? Okay. And he's like, yeah. Oh, man, this sucks. Oh, man, this sucks. It's like, cool. That means he's talking. He's got an airway. He's breathing. Great. You can ask him about any pain while you're pulling over. You could tell him what you're doing. Hey, you want me to call 911? You can actually do that through the system. Okay. So pull over, get your trauma kit, go ahead and talk to them. But get yourself out of the situation. Easily get hit. Right here. What if there's a car flying around? Look at, he's trapped underneath the bike too. Woo. So easily could have got wrapped around this if they're going any faster. So more than likely this rider attempted to slow down as much as they possibly can before the crash. Probably saved his life, because no matter how much gear you have, this is full leathers. You're going to wrap yourself around that, get split. There's your upper body, there's your lower body going that way. Be very careful with that.
İyi misin abi?
Handled it. This is why you get sliders. This is why you get gear. This is why you get all those different things for your bike too.
Lan şansın amına koyayım ya.
What you just saw was a clip from the live stream, which we do all the time on this channel, every single week. So if you want to, click that subscribe button. I think it's right here. Maybe it's right here. I don't know. There's videos on the screen. Matt, what do I do?